Hey guys, welcome back. It's been 9 months after releasing iPhone 12 Pro. As you see in thumbnail, today we are going to unbox the all-new iPhone 12 Pro and USB-C adapter, earphone, case. So we are going to unbox these things. Watch this video till the end and make sure you have subscribed my channel and press the bell icon. I'm Shihab, you are watching Mr. Shihab. As you see here, the new iPhone 12 Pro USB-C adapter, earphone, 3 case, also a screen guard. I have already opened earphone and USB-C adapter because I can't wait. But I still unbox this in front of you. So first, let me unbox the Apple EarPod with lightning connector. As I said, I have already opened once. Yeah, it's pretty good. It comes with a box like USB-C adapter and inside a menu card, which as far as I know, no one reads it. Still, I don't know why they wasting these papers. If you are the one who reads this menu card, please comment down below. Awesome packing. The next one, USB-C adapter. See around the box, a perfect box packing. Inside, a USB-C adapter and again the same thing, menu card. It's stable and feels comfort when we release these pins. Then we move to the final and the awesome iPhone 12 Pro specific blue 128GB. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3, go. Awesome matte finish specific blue iPhone 12 Pro. Apple has given a grand and smart look. Just keep the phone aside for a moment. On box, as we all know, it comes with a lightning to USB-C cable and a SIM ejector, Apple sticker, again a menu card. Let's take the phone and remove the paper first. Also, the paper shows the position of buttons. Hope you can see, right? Let's remove. Oh, beautiful. That's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any idea to buy any iPhones, contact me on Instagram. Then see you on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.